Introducing Megavent Skylight Retractable Roof, the ultimate solution for natural light and comfort. With Megavent Retractable Roof, you can enjoy a 100% leak-proof skylight. We've engineered a solution that provides all the benefits of natural light without any of the downsides. We stand by the quality of our product. That's why we offer an exceptional warranty package, 10-year warranty for polycarbonate sheets, ensuring long-lasting durability. 15-year warranty on the powder coating of aluminum profiles, guaranteeing a pristine appearance for years to come. 3-year warranty for EPDM rubber ceilings, providing peace of mind for the crucial ceiling elements of your skylight. Megavent Skylight Retractable Roof is constructed using non-corrosive materials, including aluminum alloy profiles, stainless steel fasteners, EPDM rubber ceilings, and polycarbonate sheets. Contact us today to learn more about how Megavent's Skylight Retractable Roof can enhance your outdoor lifestyle.